The theory of evolution essentially states that all forms of life are constructed from the same basic elements and that humans are simply the result of a long series of evolutionary changes. Thus, humans were not created by God. They simply evolved from other life forms over a very long period of time. If this is true, does it prove that God does not exist? There is much debate about this topic. Here are just a few relevant sample facts. 1. The human eye has the capability to adjust its focus to different distances, to admit different amounts of light, to correct spherical and chromatic aberrations, and to work in perfect and instant synergistic harmony with the brain to facilitate seeing. 2. Biologists have learned that each cell in the human body contains trillions of ultra-sophisticated molecular machines that allow and support life as we know it. 3. There is enough information capacity in a single human cell to store the entire Encyclopedia Britannica 3 or 4 times over. 4. Childbirth is a miracle that perfectly combines the DNA of 2 people into a new, unique person. From that single cell created at conception, a complete human being literally develops with all of its complex organs and systems, and is born alive and functioning. 5. There is no question that evolutionary changes within a species do occur. However, one can question if there are any documented cases of one major species evolving into another completely different species. 6. Numerous highly improbable factors have to be precisely in place in a balanced fashion for the survival of life on Earth. Without any one of these factors, life would not be possible. When reflecting on the above facts, which are only a very small sampling of such information, one must question whether human life and our world could truly be the result of an arbitrary and random process of evolution. One must also question where the first life forms came from. We suggest you review the below detailed cited blogs and website and consider the possibility that indeed there is a God with an open heart and an open mind.